Hi, in this video we will see how to update the TSSA app server when the database password changes. So this is the first step to update the database password on the application server. We need to use blastadmin-a option in order to apply the configuration change on the default app server, template and all the additional application server deployments configured on the application server host. Please make a note, this -a option does not affect to the other deployments on the application server host, and we need to use -s option explicitly for those other deployments. We will see that in the next slide. Now we will update the DB password using blastadmin-a option. Please log into the application server, open a command prompt with admin privileges and run the set command blastadmin-a set database password and using the new password. The new password will be blurred for this video. Hit enter. Once you run the command, you will be able to see against which deployments the password has been updated successfully. It will show the default application server, additional application servers if any, and the template. Now we have successfully updated the password for these deployments. So we need to set the new DB password for other deployments as well. So first we will see how to check the other deployments. Run the blastadmin-a list all deployments command to list all the deployments on your application server host. From the command output, we can see there are other deployments where we need to set the DB password, which are post migration, spawner, pixie and util. This is a very important step to update the password for these deployments as well. If we miss to update the DB password for these deployments, then there can be issues in the future at the time of upgrade due to some deployments having stale passwords. So make sure to update the password for these deployments as well. Also, it is not necessary that postmig, pixie and util is present on all the application server. You can check with the list deployments command. In the next slide, we will see how to update the DB password explicitly for these deployments. Now, let's update the DB password one by one for each of the deployments shown in the slide. Just make a note, the command for pixie is slightly different. We need to use set pixie password and not set database password. Go back to the application server to update the password for other deployments. Here we will update the password for the spawner deployment. Type a command +admin-s spawner set database password, enter the new password, enter. It will update the password for the spawner deployment. The same command we will run against the pixie deployment. Enter a new password, hit enter. It will update the password for the pixie. It is updated successfully. Now do the same activity for post migration as well. Postmig. It is also completed successfully. Now the last thing is util. Yeah, this is also completed successfully. Now we have successfully updated the new password for all the required deployments. The next step is to restart the application server service and the spawner service in order to apply the change in effect. Open the services.msc, restart the application server service. It is restarted now. Restart the spawner service as well. This is also restarted successfully. Thanks for watching.